The Bornean orangutan. The orangutan, or Pongo pygmaeus, is native to the island of Borneo, their range also spanning areas of Bornean Indonesia and Malaysia. They are large apes identifiable by their red fur and brown skin, while mature males also have distinct, large cheek pads and throat pouches used for making loud vocalizations to attract females. They are incredibly intelligent animals and have been observed creating and using tools in the wild to acquire food. However, they cannot swim and their range is often limited by rivers that they cannot cross in the wild. The Bornean orangutan population has declined by 60% in the past 60 years, with their numbers expected to have halved again by 2025. The main threat to orangutans is habitat loss and fragmentation caused by deforestation, but they are also hunted for bushmeat, and climate change is causing their natural habitat to change. Conservation efforts are being made by assigning areas of forest as protected, but these protected areas are small and need to be expanded to cover more land. Social. Orangutans are solitary, meaning they have far less social interaction than other ape species. However, they are still intelligent animals and do not like complete isolation from their counterparts. Males have large territories that they preside over, calling to attract females from large distances away. Orangutans will interact if they meet, and may be friendly, avoidant or aggressive. Occasionally, a male and female may travel together, but orangutans generally live alone, except for a mother and her young. Reproduction. Mature male orangutans develop cheek and throat pads, which define them as an alpha male. These males, who often have large territories and roam through great distances in the forest, are far more likely to gain the attention of females than beta males, who are younger and do not have cheek pads. When a male and receptive female meet, they will mate. The female will give birth to one baby after a pregnancy of 8.5 months, caring closely for her child for the first 8 years of its life. The child will stay with her until they are between the ages of 10 and 11, and then leave to establish its own home range. Orangutans are the only great ape species that does not live in Africa. The name orangutan means person of the forest in Malay and Indonesian, where the Bornean orangutan resides, and they are 7 times stronger than humans. Orangutans are the largest tree-dwelling animal in the world. Orangutans are the only ape species that live solitarily. Orangutans use tools with their mouths, unlike how gorillas and chimps use their hands.